Hey guys, it's contest time! Yay! I know you guys excited when you first saw the title to this video, before it even loaded. But yeah, that's right, I'm going to have a new contest, and what you're staring at right now are the prizes. There's actually only two prizes here. One is the knife, which is a Toologic SL3. Did a full review on this knife. The knife is still brand new. Have not used the blade to cut anything. And the fire steel was barely used, just for demonstration purposes. You might have noticed that I added a little lanyard here, simple loop lanyard. I used International Orange paracord and an International Orange cord ends for high visibility, in case you drop this in the woods. No problem finding it in the winter, summer, fall, doesn't really matter. You'll probably find it with this bright orange cord. It's also purposeful for an actual lanyard as well. But anyway, that's one prize. And then the other prize is going to be the set, both of these VHS tapes. And I know what you're thinking, or some of you might be thinking, VHS tapes. God, I bet you listen to a CD player too, don't you? And to be honest, sometimes I do. I'm still living in the 90s. I have not upgraded to an iPod or, well, you know what, that's not true. I have plenty of DVDs and things like that. But a lot of my knife stuff, or my video library, my personal collection of videos are in VHS tapes because I started back before DVDs were widely available. But anyway, both tapes, this is kind of like a part one, part two. You have part one, sort of, is the surviving a street knife attack. Okay, and then part two is winning a street knife fight. Great information here, from very basic to some advanced stuff. So any level of knife fighter or any level of defensive tactics that you've been training or perhaps have in your history, you can benefit from these tapes. Again, no matter if you've never learned anything about it whatsoever or if you already study in a specific style. There's always something to be learned. And just really interesting, this is from my personal collection. I've had these for probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 years now. I've seen both tapes probably a dozen times each. So I decided to use it as a prize to give it away. Both of these tapes were made in 1995. Surviving a street knife fight, or excuse me, surviving a street knife attack is full color, 70 minutes long, and winning a street knife fight, confusing the names up here, is 67 minutes long and also full color. Again, from very basic skills here to defend your life with a knife, or defend your knife, or defend yourself from a knife attack, even empty-handed or without a weapon, all the way up to some advanced fighting techniques. Now, these videos dispel any kind of myths or urban legends about knife fighting, what you see in the movies. Total crap. It's not real. This gets down to the nitty-gritty and what really will save your life. God forbid you're ever attacked. And it not only covers edged weapons, but also some other blunt impact weapons such as batons, improvised weapons, pool cues, things like that. Great videos, a lot of information here. Both are done by Mac the Animal Young. The Animal is his nickname. And he's been in the knife fighting scene for a long time. I actually have multiple books from him. Very knowledgeable person in the field. So this is one prize, the bolt tapes, and this is the second prize, the knife. Now, what's the contest? Well, I had a lot of different ideas for contests, which I will use in the future. I always try to change things up. You guys know that I like to change things up. I like variety. Variety is a spice of life, in my opinion. You don't want to do the same old thing. It gets kind of old. So, what I decided to do, and actually I had a different idea for the contest, what to do to actually enter. And I actually had a friend of mine online, Ryan. And Ryan had contacted me recently, mentioning that he participates in the March of Dimes every year. He does a sponsored walk with his wife. And if you're not familiar, March of Dimes is an organization, it's a charity that helps with babies. They do research on deformities and different diseases and things like that. And they do try to help and cure different diseases, and help different problems that may occur with the birth of babies. So it's a really good charity to deal with. I've never really been associated with any charities before, but I just thought it'd be a really nice thing to do, and it was perfect timing because the idea popped right in my head. Well, I wanted to get a contest going, and I was talking to Ryan about it, and he thought that'd be fantastic, and he was overwhelmed, with the idea because it's just really going to help him out, and again, just raise some money for the charity and to help with babies. So, I just thought it was a really cool idea, and it's perfect time for the contest. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to put a link at the bottom of the screen right now, right down there. And if you happen to miss it when the link goes off the screen, I will also have it in the sidebar in the description box. And the link will take you directly to Ryan's page, where his part of the sponsored walk is, online. And on the right-hand side, if you scroll down a little bit, it'll say donations. And to enter the contest, all you have to do is donate. Now, it does not have to be a substantial amount of money. It could be from a penny all the way up to $1,000. It doesn't matter. Every single donation will count as a single entry for this contest. Now, when you donate, you can check off any one of the boxes. They have predetermined amounts, like I think $100 and $50, $20, $10, and then only on the bottom there's another box you can fill in your own amount, which most of you guys might want to do because you might not want to, depending on what you have to donate, you might want to not donate a solid number. You might want to donate, like in my case, I donated what I had left in my PayPal account, which wasn't a solid number, so I had to fill in my own little box there. So anyway, every single time you donate will be an entry into the contest, and once you donate, once you go through the process of the donating, you have to there's a description box, okay? And in the description box, I need you to put 3 pieces of information in there for me, so I know that you donated. You need to put your full name, your real name, first and last name. You need to put your email address where I can contact you, and you need to put your YouTube account name. Okay, again, just so I know who donated. And how it's going to work is the donations are still being accepted. There's 36 days left. When you go to the link on top of the page, you'll say how many days left are for donating. And when that runs out on the last day, I will stop the contest. And because I have 2 prizes here, what I decided to do is whoever donates the largest sum will win one of the prizes, and you'll be able to choose which one you want. Now, let's say you choose a knife. What's going to happen with the tapes are I'm going to actually put all the donations, all the people who donate, I'm going to write their information on a piece of paper and kind of go old school, and I'm going to put it in a big old hat, and on film, live for you guys, I'm going to pick out of the hat and randomly choose a winner of the other prize. Now, if the highest donator picks the tapes, the random drawing will be for the knife, vice versa. So, I thought that'd be fun. Again, something different. The tapes are kind of different. I thought about giving away another, 2 knives, but, just something cool. Again, variety. Always like to change things up a little bit. So anyway, any donations, greatly appreciated, guys. I mean, it does go to a good cause, helping babies. And, I just thought that'd be something nice to do. As opposed to just another random giveaway. At least at this point, even if you don't win, like I said, that your money went to a very good cause. So I thank you very much for watching. I wish everyone the best of luck. And like I said, on the very last day that donations are being accepted, the very last day after the donations are being accepted, in other words, after the days are up, I will make another video announcing who the highest donator was, and once they pick their prize, I will have another video, of course, doing the random pick of the hat to see who will win the other prize. So, once again, thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate your time. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and good luck.